Student, welcome back to the next online classes. In today's class, I am going to explain you about adverbs, kinds of adverbs, comparison of adverbs, preposition, synonyms and antonyms. Children, first we will discuss about adverbs. Adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb and adjectives or another adverbs. So, adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb and adjectives or another adverbs. So, we will learn about adverbs, kinds of adverbs. Following are the main kinds of adverbs. First one is time of adverb, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, second one. Third one, adverbs of manners. Fourth one, adverbs of degree or quantity. Fifth one, adverbs of frequency or number. And sixth one is integrative adverbs. So let's see first one, adverbs of time. And adverbs of time shows us the time when the action is done. Adverbs of time answer the question when. I go to school daily. When do I go to school? So answer is daily. So adverb of time is daily. Second one, you should always speak the truth. So here always is time. So we have to speak always truth. When should you speak the truth? Always. So adverb of time is always. Some adverbs of time are today, soon, yesterday, before, now, since, often, immediately, already. So adverb of time shows us the time when the action is done. Now next one is adverb of place. An adverb of place shows the place where the action is done. Adverb of place answer the question where. For example, come to me and sit here. So where to sit? You have to sit here. So it describes about the place where you have to sit. Here you have to sit here. So it is a place. Next example, the bus stops there. Where does the bus stop? There. So here the question place is there. So some adverbs of place are here, everywhere, above, behind, outside, west, outside west, in, out, straight, nowhere. So these are all the example of adverb of place. So next one is adverb of manner. An adverb of manner shows us how or in what manner the action is done. Adverb of manner answer the question how. For example, she does her homework carefully. So how you have to do your homework? You have to do your homework carefully. So carefully is adverb of manner. How does she do her homework? Carefully. So here adverb of manner is carefully. The horse run fast. Example 2, the horse run fast. How does the horse run? Run fast. So fast is a adverbs of manner. Some adverbs of manners are badly, easily, slowly, well, surely, loudly, quietly, gently, truly, honestly, lovingly, suddenly. Now next one, fourth one is adverb of degree or quantity. An adverb of degree shows the degree of the action of its verb. Adverbs of degree answer the question how much, oblique, how far. It means, for example, he praised you very highly. How much did he praise you? Very highly. Very highly is the degree or quantity. So, example 2, it is commonly believed that a lie has no legs to stand on. How is it believed that a lie? Commonly, it is degree or quantity. Adverb of degree or quantity. Some adverbs of degree are almost, completely, less, truly, quite, very, too, hardly, entirely, so. Now fifth one is adverb of frequency or number. An adverb of frequency shows how many times an action is done. Adverb of frequency answer the question how often. For example, I take tea twice a day. Here, twice a day is frequency or number of times he used to take a tea. So, how often do I take tea? Twice a day. Second one, I have seen Mumbai only once in life. How many times he has seen Mumbai? Only once in life. So, once is number of times he saw Mumbai. Some adverbs of frequency are usually, ever, never, once, rarely, generally, firstly, secondly, doubtly, and thrice. Now the last one is interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask question about what the verb state. For example, where do you live? Here, place. 2. When do you go to bed? When is the time you go to bed? Third one, how did you solve this sum? It is adverbs of manner. Why were you late for prayer? It is a cause. By. What for you have gone there? What is purpose? You gone for there. How much help can I give you? It is a degree. How much? How often do you take tea? Frequency. It is a frequency. How often you take tea? So, children, that completes the adverbs. In this class, we have learned adverbs. Adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb and adjectives or another verbs and kinds of adverbs. First one is adverbs of time. It shows us time. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place shows the place where the action is done. Now, adverbs of manner shows us how or in what manner the action is done. Adverbs of manners answer the question how. Now, fourth one is adverb of degree or quantity. An adverb of degree shows the degree of action of its verb. Adverbs of degree answer the question how much oblique how far. Fifth one, adverbs of frequency or number. An adverbs of frequency show how many times an action is done. Adverbs of frequency answer the question how often. Interrogative degree. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask question about what the verb state. Where, when, how, why, what, how much, how often. So, adverbs completed. Now, comparison of adverbs. So, there are three degree of comparison of adverbs, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So, adverbs are compared in the same way as adjectives. The positive degree in the simplest form of the adverbs. The comparative degree is used to compare two person or thing. In comparative degree, we use two person only for comparing the things. The superlative degree is used to compare three or more person or thing. So, in positive degree, we use only simplest form of the adverbs, and in comparative degree, we used to compare two person or things, and in superlative degree, we used to compare three or more person or thing. So, first one is adverbs of one syllabus form their comparative degree by adding er and their superlative degree by adding est to the positive. Harvan's work hard. It is positive degree. Here work. Here hard is positive degree. Hari works harder than Harvan's. Here it is comparative degree. Means harder is a comparative degree. We are comparing two person or thing here. Now, Tom works harder of all. Here we are comparing more than two person or thing. So it is superlative degree. Hard means hardest in superlative degree, and in comparative degree we are comparing two things. So it become harder. So positive, comparative and superlative degree. Fast become in positive degree it is fast, in comparative degree it is faster, and in superlative degree it is fastest. Positive degree of early is in comparative degree earlier, in superlative degree, earliest. So adverb of two or more syllables generally form their comparative degrees by adding more and their superlative degree by adding most. We are adding more and most in both the comparative degrees and superlative degrees. For example, Ramesh walked swiftly, it is positive degree. Mahesh walked more swiftly than Ramesh, it is comparative degree, more swiftly. And Satish walked more swiftly of all, it is superlative degree. So, more and most, more is used in comparative degree and most is used in superlative degree for positive, comparative and superlative degree. Carefully, more carefully, most carefully. Gladly, more gladly and most gladly. Loudly, more loudly, most loudly. Irregular degree of adverbs. Observe the following example. Radhika sing well. It is well is positive degree. Renu sing better than Radhika. Better is comparative degree. Susma sing best of all. It is best is superlative degree. So children, you all have learned about comparison of adverbs. We use positive degree in simplest form of the adverbs and comparative degree is used to compare two person or thing and the superlative degree is used to compare three or more person or things. And adverbs, second one, adverbs of two or more syllables generally form their comparative degree by adding more and their superlative degree by adding most. Next topic is preposition. Preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun to link it with some other noun or pronoun in the same sentence. For example, the book is on the table. Where is the book? The book is on the table. Second one, the cat is on the under the table. Where is the cat? Cat is under the table. Third one, the bulb is above the table. Where is the bulb? Bulb is above the table. The basket is near the table. Where is the basket? Basket is near the table. Here near is a preposition. Fifth one, the chair is behind the table. Here behind is preposition in this sentence. Sixth one, the pen is in the ink pot. Where is pen? Pen is in the ink pot and in is preposition here. So, remember that the noun that follows the preposition is called its object. It governs its object and link it with some other noun or pronoun mentioned before it. Here is a list of words often used as preposition. Abroad, about, above, across, after, against, along, among, around, as, at, before, behind, below, beneath, between, beside, beyond, but, by, concerning, despite, down, during, except, for, from, in, inside, into, like, near, off, on, into, out, outside, over, past, regarding, round, since, through, throughout, till, to, towards, under, underneath, until, up, upon, with, within, without. So these sentences given below explain the use of some more preposition. The girl is between the two boys. Where is the girl? Where is the girl standing? The girl is between the two boys. Here between is a preposition. The hut is before the tree. Here before is a preposition. The shoes are inside the box. Where is the shoes? Shoes are inside the box. Inside is a preposition here. The cat ran after the mouse. Here after is a preposition. Some are the prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase is a words group that has a preposition as its parts and gives a special meaning. For example, act upon, follow. We must act upon this useful advice. Approval of, like, the committee will surely approve of my schemes. Here is a list of common use prepositional phrase. Ask for, to demand, ask to, invite, consist of, comprise, desire for, want, differ with, disagree, differ from, to be unlike, proud of, take pride in, beware of, to be alert against, compare to, show likeness between two things, control over, to have something under one's thumb, ignorant of, have no knowledge of, part from, to be separate from a person, wait for, look forward to, part with, stop having something. Now the next topic is synonyms. A synonyms is a word that has some meaning as another word, means it has some meanings. Action, deed, affectionate, loving, allow, permit, ancient, old, appear, look. Appear means look. Attempts, try, blame, accuse, blunder, error. So these are the meanings. So synonyms is a word that has the same meanings as other words. So the next topic is antonyms. Antonym is a word that has a meaning opposite to that of other words. So it is antonym means opposite words. For above, below, active, inactive, arrive, depart, barren, fertile, beginning, and accept, reject, admire, condemn, artificial, natural, beautiful, ugly, blunt, sharp. These are the example of antonyms. Children, hope you all understood about the topic about the adverbs, kinds of adverbs, comparison of adverbs, comparative degree, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degrees, preposition, antonyms and synonyms. Thank you children.